Hello educators, it's me, Megan Callista, and I'm here to tell you about the assessment tools, Nearpod and Formative. Let's start with Nearpod. Nearpod provides a means for students to complete interactive lessons that include teaching and assessment features. Research indicates Nearpod can increase engagement and motivation, connect technology and curriculum, promote 21st century skills, and increase participation and promotion of data collection for formative assessments. For this video, we will be discussing Nearpod for assessment purposes. First, we are going to complete a live Nearpod experience that will better exemplify how Nearpod can be used for assessment. Nearpod has many features. The features circled in red are mainly for teaching. The features circled in yellow are mainly for assessment. Some of these features can be used for both. During this Nearpod, we are going to be exploring how some of these features can be used to assess students easily and effectively. First example I want to show you is how Nearpod can use VR experiences. After exploring a place, they can quickly move into a collaborative space where they can ask and answer questions about what they just explored. You can also connect students to websites. For this example, students were asked to explore the Healthy Eating website and then use the Draw It feature to create their own healthy plate. Students can draw, use text, or images to share their learning using the Draw It feature. Once the students are done, they can submit it. We will explore the feedback and reporting features later. Another feature of Nearpod is inserting YouTube videos. After watching a video, students can answer questions without having to leave the Nearpod platform. For this example, we are going to be answering an open-ended question. Students can also answer poll questions. Another feature of Nearpod is inserting a slideshow for review. Another option for assessment is the fill-in-the-blank assessment. For this example, after viewing the slideshow, we are going to be completing a fill-in-the-blank to test our new knowledge. With this feature, students get immediate feedback. This assessment example is a quiz. Another assessment feature is a memory test. This one I particularly like for ELL students to practice vocabulary. When the students are done, they have to answer a question to show their learning, which they can get immediate feedback on. The final feature is matching pairs. Here we go. It gives me immediate feedback on how I did on that assessment feature. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like from the teacher's perspective as it's concerned to feedback and reporting. So this is from the Draw It feature from the teacher dashboard. Using the teacher dashboard, the teacher can then share quality examples. This is a great way to give feedback to one another and to get immediate feedback from the teacher. This is the open-ended responses. All the student responses are right here for the teacher to easily see, and the teachers can share the answers to give immediate feedback. Here's the polling feature. Gives the answer the students select. Here's the reporting of the quiz. You can see the student answers. You can share this data quickly with students and give immediate feedback as necessary. Here are the results from the matching. You can also view reports by clicking reports. You can view reports from live sessions and student-paced sessions. These reports condense the data so it can be quickly reviewed or shared with others. What I particularly like about Nearpod is if you see your students having trouble with the content, you can add web, open-ended, draw it, slide, or true and false questions without ever having to turn off the Nearpod or change the Nearpod code. Let's recap. Using Nearpod, students can show mastery of content in various ways using a range of the DOK levels. Teachers can use Nearpod assessment features to provide immediate feedback using a live Nearpod, collect and compare data quickly and easily, access and share reports with others, and retrieve all post-session reports at a later date. Now that you know all about Nearpod, let's talk about using Formative as a tool for assessment. Formative is a tool that allows students to demonstrate understanding in various ways and for teachers to provide immediate feedback. Using Formative, teachers can make data-driven decisions, build, distribute, analyze, and share assessments, and track student performance over time. To show how Formative can be used for assessment purposes, we are going to complete an amazing formative within a formative by Michael Lutz. Let's get started. These are the various categories that Formative have to offer. These are mainly for assessment purposes only. Now we are at question number 1. We will look at the reporting featured later after we complete all the questions. The first type of question is a short answer question. Students can complete the answer by typing in their response. Students do not submit their answers one at a time, but rather wait till the end. The next type of questions are true-false questions. Another type of question are multiple choice questions. Students can also answer quiz or poll type questions. Students also answer categorizing questions. Another type of questioning are resequencing questions. Students can also use the whiteboard feature to draw or text out their answers. Another option is students can record an audio response of their answer. Another feature allows you to actually upload and enhance a PDF or document file. It takes a regular PDF or document and allows students to use it in an interactive way. And go ahead and press submit, and you can see how many questions the students answered. Now we are going to look at a formative from the teacher's view. So this is actually the reporting. You can also edit your formative, assign and share, but now we're going to view responses. We have the questions on the top and the answers that the students have given below. This was the short answer questions, the essay question, the true-false question, the multiple choice question, the multi-choice question, the poll question, the categorizing question, the resequencing question, audio recordings, questions using images, drawing feature. What I particularly like is that you can change the grades of the students. You can export the data, and you can view this data with the students. Now that we know about Formative, let's recap. Using Formative, students can use assessments to show mastery of content in various ways, and a range of DOK levels. Sound familiar? Teachers can use formative features to provide immediate feedback, collect data, compare data quickly and easily, assess and share a report, and retrieve all post-session reports for a later date. Nearpod and Formative are very similar. Let's do a quick comparison. For cost, you can see they both are free, but have paid upgrades. Both are K through 12. They both have student feedback. The only difference is the student feedback for Formative is once it's completed, and the feedback for Nearpod is sometimes immediate and sometimes when the teachers share it. They both include data and reports. There are various assessment types for both, student response types for both, and a range of DOK levels. There's also pre-made libraries for both, and the only other difference is the features, because Nearpod includes both teaching and assessment tools, and Formative includes mainly assessment tools. Based on the comparison, I would say that both assessment tools are great for their intended purposes, which is gathering student data to make instructional decisions to increase student achievement. For more information on Nearpod, you can go to www.nearpod.com. To learn about Formative, you can go to goformative.com. I will also post these links on my blog for your convenience.